everybody! Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025. Whoa. Wow. I can't believe it. We've been on this LightningBolt71 YouTube channel now for I wouldn't say over 2 years, but almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years in a couple weeks. Wow, that is so crazy. And we have had a lot happen over this new year. I mean, this is crazy, but welcome to 2025. And I'm just so happy to see everybody enjoy themselves with my channel, and I really appreciate everybody coming on and enjoying ourselves, just rock and roll with this. The positivity of our YouTube channel has really increased, quite a lot actually. It's increased, and I really don't know what to say. It's a lot of fun. I really enjoy it. I really have had a lot happen, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is actually going to be a video from a separate day, but I'm gonna save this for when it gets posted on the 1st of January, which is actually the next day from when I'm recording this. But I will post this video on January 1st. This is going to be the top 20 best videos from 2024, and I will also be posting the New Year's video, which will hopefully be coming out relatively soon in the next couple hours, I would think. And then also we have our top 5 best videos from December of this month, from December of this year. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed 2024 with me. I mean, it is just a blessing to see everybody come, and just everything's going up like crazy now. I mean, with positivity and excitement, everything has been going up. And I honestly, from my heart alone, I actually enjoy doing this as a hobby, because it's one of those things that you just don't want to have them see you do as a good thing, but it is a good thing, so I will be showing you guys, and of course this is one of those things where it shows you the top 20 best videos or whatever it is. Happy New Year to all of you guys. I really hope everybody's having a great day, their last day of 2024 and entering the new year. I mean, it's really something. I mean, I really have had a lot of fun, and there has been a lot of changes over the months of this year, but we have had a lot of things that have came up, but obviously we are still strong. Our YouTube channel is still growing. I mean, I am just thrilled to see everybody enjoying themselves as they watch my videos, and I just appreciate all of the positivity that comes with it. So enough of me chatting. I probably have been chatting now for, it feels like 5 minutes, but it's only 3 minutes or something like that. I will be showing you guys the top 20 best videos from this year. It's not going to be a popularity thing. It's just going to be what I have chosen, my favorite videos over the years, or over the months, I should say. I don't know why I keep saying over the years, but I've had my channel now for almost 2 years, so it feels like a long time. But I will be showing everybody the top 20 best videos from 2024, and I will be posting the New Year's video as well. Today is December 31st. Tomorrow is January 1st. I will be posting this video that you are currently seeing on the TV or wherever you're watching this. I will post this video on January 1st, since this is the top 20 best videos. And I will talk to you guys. Don't know why my computer is doing all that stuff. I will see you guys in the new year. I hope you had a great year of 2024. I will now show you guys the top 20 best videos from 2024. I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know what your favorite video is. I said this last year. I will say it again. And just inform me on what new video games I should be playing going forward. I did mention to myself that I will be playing new video games in 2025. but just inform me if there's anything that you guys would like me to play. If there's anything, just let me know. I mean, I'll do anything. If there's anything that you guys want me to do, feel free to let me know, or do whatever you want to do. If you want to leave a comment, do that as well. Just inform me on that stuff. So, all right, enough of me chatting. I will let you guys see the 2024 lecture of the different months. So I hope you enjoyed. Happy New Year, as always. Enjoy the last video from 2024, and I will see you guys in the new year. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Taco plus spaghetti equals yum.
Taco spaghetti, people get ready for a cuisine that's delicious and fun. Taco toppings on spaghetti noodles, two incredible foods combined into one. And don't forget the cheesy, cheesy, cheesy cheese. And don't
trash. Geometry Dash.
it every day. That's why I'm here to say I love bread. I love bread. A baguette or a bun, nothing is as fun as bread.
Yum, yum, yummity yum. Gotta get in my tummy tone. This party needs a kick. Let's get some breadsticks. In the club or on the street. Bread's all I want to eat. B-R-E-A-D. I love bread and bread loves me. B-R-E-A-D.
I love bread and bread loves me. Everybody get some bread. Everybody get some bread. Everybody get some
Bread, 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 bread.
Everybody get some bread. Everybody get some bread. Everybody get some
Bread, 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 bread. Everyone gets bread.
People of Earth, I have come from a faraway planet to taste your delicious bread.
I love bread. I love bread. Rye or sourdough. I want the world to know I